So, good morning everyone. I am Shala Shilmiruranya Itak from BSIP 1. So today we were talking about introduction. So today we were talking about the introduction to programming chapter 1. So question is, what is programming? So programming is a language that is a set of symbols, grammars, and rules with the help of which one is able to translate algorithms to programs that will be executed by the computer. So, programming is means ano siyang language na mong set siya of symbols, mga grammars o rules kung para matabangan ug unsaon nimo pag-translate ug unsaon nimo siya pag-translate sa algorithms para sa programs that will be executed sa computer. So, program development cycle. Number 1 is defining and analyzing the problem. Number 2, planning the solution. 3, coding the solution. 4, test and debug the solution. 5, implementation. 6, maintenance and documentation. So, steps embracing cycles. Number 1, defining and analyzing the problem. The question normally asked at this stage is what task is to be done. Hence, the most important thing to consider for solving a problem is to identify and define the exact problem. So, kung mo ni mga step kung saan mo pag-embrace sa cycle. So, ang number 1 is mag-define ka o mag-analyze ka sa mga problema. Ang pangutana, normal ba na mangutana ka sa karon na stage kung unsa ang task ang dapat mahuman. So, ang pinaka-importante na para makonsider adisir ka mag-solve og problema, dapat iyan din yung sa ngibawon ug unsa nga problema ang dapat na ma-solve. Steps embracing cycle is number 1, splits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So the amount of the number 1 is 500 and also the 10, taman siya 10. So hence the manner of breaking or splitting the aforesaid amount into a smaller but attainable quantity is a clear and simple application of problem analysis. Again, take note that in this problem analysis or primary task, in this problem is to slice into parts and further into smaller parts if it's necessary until it becomes easier, more manageable, or reasonable for us to start rendering a solution for each of the broken pieces. So, kung ngayon kanin na problem is mo kibali mo bahin siya o mga problema mo solve siya problema pero slide siya og parte sa pinakagamay na parts kung importante antod mo himo siya og pinakasayon og manageable kayo siya og reasonable para sa ato para makasugot ta og render nga solution sa usa ka broken pieces. So, number 2, planning and solution. One of the best techniques in writing a good program is by planning. Planning is a method of preparing the action steps in logical manner to achieve a specific task. So, pangaduha, ang planning og solution. So, mo ni pinaka-maayo nga techniques kung saan nimo pagsulat og mga maayo nga program sa pagplano. So, ang pagplano is may siyang method sa pag-andam nimo og mga aksyon o mga steps na logical manner para ma-achieve nimo ang imong sakto nga bulaton. So, planning and solution, problem analysis. In a problem analysis, the problem itself is first broken in a few larger parts and each part into smaller segments and further into smaller segments, if it is necessary, until it makes you feel comfortable solving them piece by piece. Always remember that the key providing a good solution to a problem is fully understand the entire task and the surrounding details that comes within absolute clarity. So kung mayroon kang problem analysis, mo na siyang problema sa iyang kaugalingon na pinakauna na broken sa pinakadako nga parts sa each niya na parts sa pinakagamay na segments. Ug if kung necessary gud siya hantod na mo feel nimo na komportable na ka pag solve ka niya sa piece by piece hinumdumi po ni na mo na ang key para makahatag og maayo nga solusyon sa problema. Niya mo ni siya ang mo sabot gid siya sa tanan nimo trabahoon ug mo siya ang maghatag og details sa so mo ni siya ang mohatag nimo og absolute clarity sa imong problema. So defining the problem. So how do we go about identifying the problem to be solved? Obviously, the amount of 5,000 pesos that went to loans in the problem, her habit just being the cause. To be more specific, her problem is money in the amount of 5,000 pesos. So mag-define ka problema. So usaon nimo pag identify sa problema o pag-solve para ma-solve. So ang dapat mo buhat obviously ang amount is 5,000 pesos that the loans in the bag sa problema. So ang iyang habit just being the cause is hinungdan para specific yun siya. Ang iyang problema is ang kwarta niya. Nagkatindad siya og 5,000 pesos. So, number 3 steps is coding the solution. Crucial to program development processes is coding. It is at this stage where the defined procedure as described in the pseudocode or as visually symbolized by a flowchart is transformed into a machine code through a programming language. So it means coding the solution. I-code nimo imong solution. Muna siyang process sa coding. Muna siyang stage kung saan nimo pag-define kung si angay nimo buhaton o pag-describe sa pseudocode. Visually kanang iyang mga symbols sa flowchart ug unsaon niya pag-transform sa machine na code through programming language. Coding the solution. Programming language. As we know, one of the things that brings programmer and computer together is programming language, through which the exchange of information is facilitated and the gap between their spoken languages is limited. Today, there are several programming languages available depending on user needs. So, programming language, para makabalota, mo na una nga butang na maghatag sa programmer o sa computer together sa programming language through the kung saan nila pag-exchange og mga information mag-facilitate sila og kuan gyapon gap between sa ilang mga languages kay limited naman ang ilang languages. So karon na sila several nga programming languages nga available depende ra sa user nga or ilang needs kayo gid. 4 is testing and debugging the solution. Testing and debugging is the method of validating the program to ensure that it will be correctly work on the required tasks. Testing and debugging are closely related. A program is one to test whether or not it conforms to the required process. So ang number 4 is mo-testing siya kung mo-debug na solution. So mo yung method kung saan niya pag-validate sa program para ma-sure nila na correct yun ang imong trabaho, imong required na task. Unya, ang kaning testing and debugging, kuan kay sila, close kay sila niya, related ra kay ilang program. So, money testing and debugging the solution. So, pinakauna is start, CLS display, quantity sold, kit, QTY, display, unit price, kit price, EMT, equal to quantity, QTY, price, display, EMT, then stop. So number 5 is implementation. After the program was tested and the output generated using a copy of the live data confirms that the required output condition, the actual use of the program begins. So implementation. So kung man mo mag-program na na-test na nimo siya, is ang output niya is mag-generate siya gamit ang copy. So live yung data niya. Then mag-record din siya mga output conditions. Yung mga din yung mga actual niya na gamit din niya. Research siya mag-program. Research siya magsugod. So maintenance and documentation. When the program is effectively controlling the processing, the need for maintenance and documentation is mandatory. One of the reasons is future reference. So importante kini siya ang maintenance sa documentation kung ang program is epektibo. Kung ang program is epektibo gid siya, manihalan gid siya og process. Kaya importante man siya para sa maintenance ug documentation, kay mandatory rin siya niya. Mao po ang usa sa hinungdan sa future reference. So the compilation process after coding but prior to the run, the translated statements, or meaning the statements is it hold from the step as contained in the flowchart of pseudocode had to be compiled for purposes of generating executable code. So it means human mo mag-code, importante jud kayo na nga mudagan gid siya ug translate siya mga so meaning aning the compilation process muna siya ang maggunit sa mga statements niya, maghatag og mga step kung sa mamagi sa flowchart niya, mag-compile din siya kung sa mga importante niya, mag-generate siya mga code. So source kadong siya sa compiler, then object coded. So the debugging process mo na siyang process sa debugging. As mentioned earlier, the reason why a program must be compiled was because the object code or executable code had to be created. So pasabot ani niya mo ni mga process kung saan nimo pag compile kay kani siya na object na code is executable siya niya, dapat mo ni ang himuon niya. This one prior to actual use of the program. At this one is performed for purpose of correcting and removing output errors left undetected during the compilation process. After the test is completed and all sorts of discrepancies are corrected, the program is once again executed. But this time, a copy of actual data mounted. So this run mo na siya pinaka-importante so paggamit sa program, kay mo na siya ang kibali mag-perform sa imong program. Kay mura ang purpose niya is mag-correct og magpahawa sa mga errors na dili siya detected sa compilation process. So algorithm, it is a step-by-step process on how problem is to be solved. To be better understand this concept, let us create a situation of say arranging with two workers as a task for purpose of carrying out plan. So ang algorithm is mo siyang step by step kung saan nimo pag-solve sa problem. So para makasabtan yun, ang kanina concept is kaning situation kung saan yung pag-arrange sa duha ka nagtrabaho sa task. Ang purpose po ani is carry siya sa carry out siya sa plano. So intellectual disparity. One important thing to note is the fact that computers do not possess the inherent intellect. In the same way, human would demonstrate in the conduct of his task. Computers are dependent on programs which contains a series of steps taken from the natural sequences of human action and then perform them with such remarkable speed and precision. So, ang intellectual disparity mo siya pinaka-importante na para sakto sa computer. Dili siya ma-possess og inherent intellect. In the same, dili pareha siya sa tao. Namo demonstrate og conduct sa iyang trabahoon. Ang computers is dependence kay lahi man sila mosunod kay bali sila sa mga tao kung say angay buhaton magkulat la sila sa instruction. Dili pareha sa tao na sila may nagmugna sa computer, so sila lahi ra gyud sila. It's guys, so umana atong discussion about this topic. So thank you for listening and don't forget to follow or subscribe and like, share my YouTube channel. Thank you.